that's what we got right now. Have a little hole right there, and it's still lower than the ledge here. It's almost even back there, so we got a lot of leveling to do. And this here, I took my hammer drill and chunked it out better, so we're actually gonna fill in this width so it makes a nice smooth finish instead of not having much material there. Don't want any crumbs on here. Don't really want any standing water, so I just tried to put just a little bit there, so hopefully it'll be gone when I get back. Alright, this end here is getting pretty dry, so I'm just going over it to smooth it out, make it look nice. I added some to the end, to this part right here. Now I messed up my times a little bit. Well, that's what we got. It's been less than 24 hours, but it's pretty dry. Still got some curing to do, but not too bad. Turned out fairly well, I think. A lot better than it was, and that angle right here looks really good. So I'm just gonna take this broken brick and clean up the edges there where it's on the other cement, and just clean it up a little bit, and that's gonna do it. That's the end of that project right there. Didn't come out too bad. A lot better than it was. I am not a professional when it comes to cement. Hope to be someday, but take it for what it's worth, guys. Hope you got something out of it. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you got some confidence and you can figure this stuff out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.